Tanishi, and Bhuvana. Today, we stand here with hearts filled with gratitude, with our heads held high. We stand here to acknowledge the kindness, the love, and the support you gave us.
School has been a roller coaster. Early morning rushes, last minute homeworks, and somehow making it through every day.
We remember when our seniors had this opportunity to speak, we didn't really understand the purpose. We thought it wasn't a big deal. Honestly, it all seemed like a formality. But now, standing here with the mic in our hands today, on this day, I feel all the emotions they must have gone through. The emotion, the nervousness, the excitement, and especially a surge of pride and gratitude.
Before we begin, a big thank you to our teachers and dignitaries for giving us this opportunity. You have been our mentors and motivators. Now let's relive some of the best moments of the year.
School started, tension high. New beginnings, new people, oh my. Took some time, found our space. Now this class, our favorite place.
Invest teacher time. We gave our best, practicing hard, putting skills to test. Summer came, but wait, oh no, a heap of work, the show. Mingled, laughed, friendships grew. PT1 got done, but we powered through. PT2 came, we did our best. Then off to Rajasthan, we went for a new quest.
Partying, exploring, wonders to see. Memories made, wild and free. PT3 hit and extra classes gave. Fun, giggles, working hard. In Victor's road, we took the yard. Laurels won, spirits high. Unbreakable will, reaching the sky.
Windows broke, oh what a scene. Chaos, laughter in between. Christmas flew, pre-boards arrived. New Year's joy, now we just survived.
Wild water strip, a splash, a dive. Best escape, we felt the light. Now we stand, hearts so bright. Looking back, it all feels right. Through the chaos, stress and grind, we laughed, we lived, we hit rewind. Lessons learned, memories stayed. We wouldn't have had it any other way.
And to the juniors, here's our plea. Take it easy, just let it be. 10 can seem tough, we all know. But remember, there is more to life than just the view.
Through the highs, through the falls, we stood strong, we gave our all. Can't be gay, but love stayed true. One last shout, a big thank you.
Dear teachers, you have been more just educators. You have been our guides, our mentors and saviors before our exams.
We may not always say this, but we are forever thankful for the lessons, the patience, and believing in us even when we doubted ourselves.
No matter where we go, a part of us will always belong here, cherishing the memories we have built together. With heartfelt gratitude, we say our goodbyes, not as an end, but as a promise that we will make you proud.
Thank you everyone.